A circular reference occurs when a formula directly or indirectly refers to its own cell. This causes the formula to use its result in the calculation, which can go into infinite loop. For example, you create a circular reference if you enter equal to B9 plus C9 plus D9 into cell D9, because the formula in cell D9 refers to cell D9. Excel warns the user when there is an occurrence of a circular reference, because a circular reference essentially means endless loops. As soon as you hit enter to complete such a formula, you will get the circular reference warning message. When you close the message window, Excel displays either a 0 or the last calculated value in the cell. Excel displays a message on the left side of the status bar that a circular reference exists in cell D9. Another example is including the cell C6 in the sum formula equal to sum C2 colon C6 will transform this into a circular reference. When you press enter, Excel doesn't give the warning for additional circular references. The status bar shows only the last entered circular reference. This means that there might be more than one circular references on this tab. Excel keeps a list of all circular references. To find the circular references, on the Formulas tab, in the Formula Auditing group, click on the down arrow next to Error Checking. Click on Circular References. The last entered circular reference is displayed there. Click on the cell listed in the submenu and Excel will bring you to that cell. Review the formula in the cell and correct it. Clicking on Error Checking and Circular References again shows the next circular reference. Circular reference in status bar disappears once you delete or fix all circular references. Circular references can also be indirect. For example, the formula in cell J9 is sum of equal to K9 plus L9. The formula in cell L9 refers to cell K5. The formula in cell K5 refers to cell J9. In other words, the formula in cell J9 indirectly refers to its own cell. When a circular reference is indirect, circular references in error checking show list of cells. In cases when an Excel circular reference is not obvious, you can use trace precedents and trace dependents features. To display the trace arrows, click on Formulas tab and in Formula Auditing group, click on one of the options. Trace precedents. Show arrows that indicate which cells affect the value of the currently selected cell. Select J9 and click on Trace Precedents. The arrows are drawn from cell K9 and L9 to J9, indicating J9 is affected by cell L9. Click on Trace Precedents again, an arrow is drawn from K5 to L9. Click on Trace Precedents again, an arrow is drawn from J9 to K5. This indicates that J9 is referring to itself indirectly. To hide the arrows, click on Remove Arrows button in the Formula Auditing group. Trace Dependents. Show arrows that indicate which cells are affected by the value of the currently selected cell. Select J9 and click on Trace Dependents. The arrow is drawn from cell J9 to K5, indicating J9 affects cell K5. Click on Trace Dependents again. The arrow is drawn from cell K5 to L9. Click on Trace Dependents again. The arrow is drawn from cell L9 to J9. This indicates J9 affects J9 indirectly, which is an indirect circular reference. You can use the following keyboard shortcuts. For trace precedents, Alt plus T, U, T. For trace dependents, Alt plus T, U, D. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.